So lately, I've been seeing some damage on a few of my leaves here and there, and I knew at some point if I just kept looking, I'd finally catch a glimpse of who's been doing it.
Turns out, today is the day.
I came out this morning and I was looking at this leaf damage and looked up a little bit and boom, I see this little baby grasshopper. How cool looking! But it's not as camouflaged here on this flower as it is on the leaves.
So was it a friend or a foe?
As far as benefits go, grasshoppers can eat, digest, and pass a lot of plant matter daily. So in the grand scheme of things, they are awesome composters and add a lot of great organic matter back to the earth.
But for gardeners, maybe the bad can outweigh the good. It just depends.
Grasshoppers are herbivores, and they aren't too picky about what kind of plants they'll eat either. And often that includes the flowers and edible plants you're growing in your garden. Having said that, it's really only an issue if you've seen an explosion in their population. In huge numbers, they can devastate a garden.
I personally wouldn't even start thinking about ways to get rid of them until I see a lot of them or a lot more damage on my plants.
But if you're dealing with a large enough population to be a problem, there are organic solutions. You can use neem oil spray, garlic spray, diatomaceous earth. Some people swear by all-purpose flour. If you just dust the leaves, it'll gum up the mouth parts of the grasshopper. You can also find ways to introduce birds to your garden.
I have quite a few birds in my garden, and I'm hoping that'll be enough of a defense in my case. Let me know in the comments if there's something else that works for you.
So honestly, it's up to you. And 99% of the time, the answer to any gardening question starts with, it depends. And in this case, it depends. So walk around your garden, take a close look, and decide for yourself if you have a problem, or just a really great front row seat to just enjoying nature. For now, and as often as I can, I choose nature. I'll continue to walk around my garden every day like I always do, and I'll keep an eye out.
So please hit the like button if you got any value at all from this video, and subscribe so you can see how this and everything else plays out in this garden over time. But until then, go get growing.